Agent Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is like a foam roller. If you can see it from this band right here, they do call this a Chirp wheel. So you can see on the side right here, they say happy birthday to your back. But when you guys open up, this is what the product looks like inside. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, they provide guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use it. If you see this photo right here, that is one way for you guys to use it. But once you take it out, you guys can see that this is what the product looks like. And right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. And then for the one that we got right here is a 6-inch for deep tissue. They do have this available in like bigger size or smaller size or a whole combo pack with a bunch of them together. So depending on what you guys want, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But when you guys feel the product right here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely has a high quality foam material on here. And in the core right here is pretty strong as well. They mentioned the maximum weight capacity on here when you guys actually use it is up to 500 pounds. So if you guys are under that weight limit, then you guys are fine. So you see the way how they designed this one here has a little curve in the middle and the side sticks out right here. And they do mention the material that they use on here is sweat resistant. And the cool thing about this part right here is the fact that not only are you guys limited to just using for your back, but you definitely use for any part of your body as well, because it works like a foam roller. And when you guys use it, you don't have to only use it on the floor. If you guys want to use it against like your wall or your chair, you can definitely do that as well. So that is everything that's on bar right here. Let me show you guys how it works first. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to put this against the wall and use it, you can definitely do that as one of the options. So if I just put it right behind me right here, and if I just roll up and down, it actually feels really nice. But I feel like if you guys want the best benefit of using it, you probably want to use it on the floor because you guys are putting more weight to it. Whereas when you guys are using it on the wall, you guys have to push against it. But definitely when you guys use it against the wall right here, it feels pretty nice. But I'm just going to put this down on the ground and show you guys how it works and what it actually feels like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out and see how it works. So you just want to put this onto the ground and you just want to lay on it and just roll on top of it like a regular foam roller. So when you guys use it, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys like a really deep tissue massage when you guys actually use it. In the beginning, it might feel a bit painful because you guys are not used to it. But if you guys use it often, you guys get used to that pain. And when you guys use this part right here, you guys are not limited to just using it for your back. If you guys want to use it for your legs or any other parts of your body, you can definitely do that on here. So for example, if I use it on my legs right here, I just go like this and move it back and forth to stretch out all the muscles. So that way you guys don't have any knots. So that is how you guys use the product on here. If you can see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So a nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So after testing out against like the wall and also on the ground as well, I definitely feel a lot more the benefit of using the product when you guys use it on the floor. Because you guys don't have to push like your body against it, just like how you guys saw on the wall. When you guys on the floor, you just use like your whole body by itself to roll it. So whether you guys want to use it for like your lower back or upper back or even for your feet or any other parts of your body, that is up to you guys. But you can see it definitely does work. But now to unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality foam roller that has the same design and same benefit this one right here, then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.